Welcome to Hotel Rupert A. Baler. To begin your journey of discovery, the QR code on your screen or the link in the description below will guide you to effortless booking. Nestled in the captivating coastal town of Baler, Philippines, Hotel Rupert A. Baler unveils a haven where contemporary comfort gracefully intertwines with the warmth of genuine hospitality. Established in 2019 and artfully refreshed in 2022, this charming retreat provides an intimate escape, perfectly positioned for both thrilling adventures and serene relaxation. Within our walls, you'll discover 20 meticulously appointed rooms, each designed to cradle you in tranquility amidst the breathtaking natural beauty that Baler generously offers. Check-in commences at 1 p.m. and checkout is a leisurely 12 p.m., allowing ample time to savor every moment. Families are warmly welcomed, with children aged 1 to 8 years old enjoying complimentary stays, making us an ideal choice for creating precious memories together. Whether your heart yearns for the legendary surf, a deep dive into historical narratives, or simply to unwind and rejuvenate, Hotel Rupert A. Baler pledges a welcoming embrace and accommodations designed to elevate every aspect of your visit. Our hotel features a vibrant bar, offering a wide array of beverages to suit every palate. Savor expertly crafted cocktails, sample local brews, or select from an exquisite wine list, all while enjoying the company of fellow travelers. Morning awakens with complimentary breakfast, ensuring a delightful start to each day's exploration. Ample parking is available for your convenience, allowing you to venture out and discover the wonders that Baler has to offer. Allow us to orchestrate your escape, where every detail is curated for your pleasure. Remember, discover the experience and book your stay at Hotel Rupert A. Baler through the QR code on screen.